Hey YouTube, welcome back to Diva Styles. I am recording out of my daughter's room right now. Can you see it? My head in the way. Right there, that is the next project that we're going to be doing. I just got done with that. Let me tell you guys, if you make that project, be sure to have a lot of time on your hands. It is very time consuming, but I love the way that it came out. It is super cute, super nice. So let's go ahead and get into this project right now. So the first thing you're going to need for this project is you are going to need one of these wire wreaths. I got this one from Walmart. It was $1 and some change. You can get these from Dollar Tree, and they will be bigger than this for $1. First thing you're going to want to do with it is spray paint it the color of your choice. I'm making it for my daughter's room. I chose to do hers pink. And second thing you're going to need is some hole punches. I'm going to be using my 1" and my 1.5" as well. Third thing you're going to need is some decorative paper that you're going to be using. Her room is Hello Kitty, so I'm going to be punching from all of these different colors, these pinks, silvers, whites, and you are going to need clear fishing line, fishing cord, whatever you want to call it. And you'll need like a hook to pretty much hang on the ceiling, so you can hang your chandelier. That's about it. So let's go ahead and get into this craft and get started. Okay, so as you can see, the wreath has different layers. Different layers. We're gonna call them different layers. Okay, so you need to determine if you're gonna fill up all 4 rows. If you're gonna do just 3, how many? Just 1, how many are you going to do? So for hers, I'm going to do 2. I'm going to do the very outer, and I'm going to do the very inner. The outer is going to excuse me, the outer is going to be shorter than this one, and it's going to have the bigger ones. This one, on the other hand, is going to be longer, and it's going to have the smaller ones. Yeah, so once you determine that, we can go ahead and get started with all this goddamn hole punching. So that's what I'm about to do now. I'm about to go ahead and just start punching holes away with everything. Alright, you guys, so I got all of my little circles and images cut out. I'm going to have to improvise on this, y'all, because in the middle of cutting, my freaking hole punch, my 1" is clogged. Do y'all see all of that? It is like clogged with doing these, like a bunch of it. I don't know. So all I got is these 1.5" things, and I was going to put them together using the transparent fishing line, but I think I'm going to link them together using these little things, So I'm going to punch 2 holes into each one and put a link on each side. Hopefully I don't run out. So I'm going to cross my fingers on that one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I will be right back. Alright, you guys. So I'm here to tell y'all that I am 4 hours into this project, okay? Do not do this project unless you have plenty of time, and please make sure you have all of the supplies. I'm done with the outer. I am done with the outer ring. I'm now working on the inner ring, but like I said, because my 1" hole punch broke, I had to improvise, and the only colors I had was just 3 out of the 6 different colors. So this is pretty much what the chains look like on the inside. At the bottom, I just did it like that, and because I'm running out of the silver jump rings, that's why I had to pretty much glue them onto each other. Y'all, this project is working my last. Do y'all hear me? Working my last. I will do it again. No time soon. No time soon. But I will do it again. A quick note on the top of it. I did not secure it with the clear fishing line. What I did was, of course, I used the jump rings. I hooked it on with the jump rings onto this, and then after that, I put down a spot of glue on each of the rings to secure it in place. But y'all, I'm ready to be done with this. I'm ready to be done. Like, seriously. And then it's 4 hours of the project, but y'all know I had to stop. I had to, do lunch. Y'all, ready to be done. I'm going to come back with this when this is done. Okay, so y'all, I am finally done with this thing. Now, to secure it in the ceiling, you will need one of these things. My husband is not home, so for right now, I'm just going to use one of these. You peel it back off, stick it on the ceiling. And just so the little thread don't slide off, I'm just going to put some glue right there on it just to secure it just until he get home. And then he can drill that thing in the ceiling. Alright, you guys, so this is the finished look. As you see, I just have it up there with the little hook that I said. I think it turns out really, really cute. You can't see the fishing line, so it looks like it is floating. I like it. Like I said, it is a project that takes a very long time, and it is going over their little their little dining area. So yes, I think it came out really, really cute. I love it, especially when it like spins. I have it being still right now, but so if you guys have any questions about this, please feel free to ask. And as always, I will see you guys very soon. Bye.